Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable model and time watermark in your Vivo Y20. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Vivo Y20 and you decide to enable a model or time watermark in your Vivo Y20. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. For example, I'm going to open my camera apps launch, and then now if I'm going to take any picture and if I'm going to see the picture preview, I'm going to see here there is not appear the model and time watermark. But if you want to enable model or time watermark, it's really very easy and simple. In order to do that, you need to click this gear icon. After click over there, scroll down and you're going to see here something say watermark. If you click that, from here, for example, I want to enable time watermark. If I'm going to turn this on, let me go back and let me try to take another picture and let me see is it appear time watermark or not. You can see just now I had took the picture and here it's appeared the current time watermark. So this is how we can easily enable. I think you can see here this is the time watermark is appear. Also, if you want to enable model watermark, same thing, you have to click this gear icon and then click here watermark, and then if you want to enable also model watermark, you can easily turn this on. Let me go back and let me try to take another picture and then let me see is it appear or not. You can see this is the model watermark. This is the Vivo Y20. We can see here, and here we can see the time watermark. So this is how we can easily enable model or time watermark in your Vivo Y20. Now we might be decide to disable model and time watermark. You can do same way, go here gear icon and click here watermark, and you can easily turn those off. So this is how you can easily enable or disable time and model watermark in your Vivo Y20. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.